Are you dreaming of building in beautiful Belize? Don't let the permit process slow you down. Understanding building permits can fast-track your project and ensure you stay compliant. Getting a building permit can take anywhere from 3 to 12 months. But with the right checklist, you'll navigate it smoothly. First, let's start with the essential steps to secure your building permit. Begin by filing your application with the local authority. You'll need to submit detailed project information. Ensure that a licensed architect, engineer, or inspector verifies your project complies with regulations. Next, prove land ownership. You'll need your land title or a registry report. Include the approved survey documents for the Ministry of Natural Resources. Now, it's time to submit your building plans. Provide architect-designed layouts, including floor plans, elevations, and structural details. Don't forget property boundaries and schematics for electrical and plumbing systems. After that, check if you need environmental clearance. Contact the Department of the Environment. If required, prepare documents including project descriptions and mitigation strategies. Projects in sensitive areas may take longer. Finally, once all documents are submitted, pay the necessary fees. Standard permits typically take weeks, but those needing environmental assessments can take months. To keep your permit process stress-free, gather essential documents up front. These include your land title and construction drawings from a licensed architect. Crucial environmental documents should also be obtained as needed. Now, let's break down common problems investors face. Missing paperwork is a frequent cause of delays. To avoid this, ensure your ownership documents are current and notarized. Collaborate closely with licensed professionals to prepare thorough plans. Keep meticulous records of all submissions. A checklist is your best friend in preventing setbacks. Understanding local regulations is critical. Consulting local experts will ensure your plans align with Belize's building codes and environmental rules. Remember to schedule your inspections during key construction phases. This helps ensure compliance with safety and quality standards. Starting construction without a permit can lead to serious issues, including fines or demolition orders. So, what are your next steps? Outline your project, whether it's a beachfront eco-home or a vacation rental. Gather all required documents, including architectural and engineering reports. Validate what permits are needed by checking with local officials. Be proactive and plan your schedule considering permit processing times. Finally, collaborate with experienced local contractors to expedite approval. In summary, getting your building permit in Belize involves clear steps. File your application, prove land ownership, submit building plans, check for environmental clearance, and pay your fees. Following these steps will help your project stay on track. Ready to start your building journey in Belize? Begin outlining your project today and prepare for success.